Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine photos on iPhone. So guys, if you want to combine your photos on iPhone without the help of third-party apps or any other app, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, open your shortcut app, tap on plus icon and search for select photos, and then tap on arrow button and turn on select multiple, search for another icon and then search for image combine. Here it is. And now tap on this arrow button again and then select this to vertically and give here spacing, give as you like, and then search for another action and now search for save image or photos and now tap on this icon and then tap on add to home screen and write the name of the shortcut, see photos. Here I am giving a see photos the name for this shortcut. Tap on add button and once the shortcut is added, here you can see this, tap on this, select multiple photos and now tap on done button and wait here for some time. The image are being created and now open your photos and here you can see this, the images have been combined. So guys, in this way you can also combine photos using your shortcut app on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.